Hey guys! Today we are going to make mini pizzas. Butter slime! Yay!
They're gonna be mini pizzas, so instead of a big piece of slime, we're gonna separate it into 3 individual ones, and you guys are gonna make mini ones, all right? So here, open this one. Yeah, they smell like...
Yeah, they smell like...
Wow!
And there's a decoration.
That's tomato!
This smells
Like bread?
Like bread.
Or garlic bread?
And there's decoration.
Oh my god! That's cheese. All right.
It smells good.
Oh, yummy. Separate that into 3, so you guys can...
touching it?
Yes, it's... Whoa!
This is our customer right here.
Ooh.
Pizza.
Angel's gonna eat the pizza.
Wait.
Ooh.
Let's take it out. Oh, this smells the bread out. Gosh, guys, it's so sticky. I only got half.
We have already separated into 3 equal parts. They are gonna have to roll into a circle. You know how pizza looks like?
Yeah.
Try to roll it into like a circle and then flatten it out. Yes.
Is it gonna get stuck? So first,
I don't know.
we need to put. First, guys, we need to put this right here, and then we have to roll it. Oh no! And then after that, we have to
Flatten it. Yes, flatten it and make sure it's the circle. All right.
This is cheese, and this is tomato.
Yes, this is tomato sauce, and we have mozzarella and olive oil.
I think it got stuck. And it's decoration. Woo. Okay, I am now done with this ball.
Yep, and we got this from Slime Fantasies. All right, so it's getting stuck here, so we're not gonna use this.
Yeah.
Ooh.
We are going to flatten it out. Yeah.
Yes.
And it does smell.
And then what is this? Slime activator used to fix sticky slime.
Oh. Ooh.
You guys want to add a little bit, or shall we use this later?
Probably later.
Because we still have to add the olive oil. Dun dun dun.
Mama, this is bread.
All right, you guys ready?
So good. Yeah. Does
All right.
look good?
Yes. Now.
Perfect.
Yep. Now the next step is to put tomato.
That's the first ingredient.
Wow, and look how realistic it looks like.
Tomato.
All right. Whoa. Whoa. So here, again, we're gonna distribute it. Whoops. Ah, there you go. And it actually smells like it. That's kind of cool. Try to, yeah, make it like.
Smell like this?
Yes.
I don't want to smell any part of this.
Yeah.
It's like this is kind of like Play-Doh and this is slime.
Yeah. Ooh.
Hi.
Cool. It smells good. It smells like tomato. Like like some potato. Oh my gosh. It smells like tomato sauce, like Domino's pizza. Ooh.
Mama, could you help me to put in tomato sauce?
Yeah. So let's roll it like this, and then when you just stretch it out. Ooh.
Wait, are we supposed to like put it together?
Well, you can just put it like. Yeah, it's gonna.
Literally.
Yeah, good job, Elijah. Just gently roll it around. That's fine, Elijah. That's perfect. Ooh, it's getting stuck, huh? We'll roll it at the end. Yeah, it's getting stuck.
Yes.
So there's the pizza with the tomato sauce. Now we're gonna add the mozzarella.
Mozzarella?
Yep, here it
I
is.
thought it was a cheese.
Yeah, that is mozzarella cheese. Go ahead. Yeah, and for that one, you guys can make it into like, well, okay, give everyone equal parts.
Oh my god, the cheese.
Look at the cheese.
It actually smells like cheese.
Yeah, oh my goodness, this is the best slime ever.
Okay.
All right, everybody gets equal parts.
Also, yes, equal parts. So 1,
One.
and then 2.
Yay.
Oh, this
Like
is
for that, what
way
you can do
sticky.
is you can put pieces, Mama. You can put little pieces on there, like little chunks of. You don't have to put it all flat up there.
It's getting stuck on my
Yeah,
finger.
here. You can get.
Oh my gosh, it's sticky.
I know.
It's actually very sticky. I think
See, this is actual melted cheese. There you go, Elijah. Look, just put pieces. Yeah, go ahead.
Ta-da! Look at my pizza. It looks amazing. Let's have sticky pizza. Like amazing.
roll your hands. Roll your hands together. Yes. And then.
This is very cool, isn't it? Guys? It's stuck into my. I still have a lot of cheese. After this, we're gonna make toast eggs for the next video. Yes. Now, I'm gonna put the final touch.
Nice. Good job.
That is really cool, guys. And when you get the activator and you put it on the slime, it will not be sticky anymore.
Yeah.
Nice and nice and cool.
Awesome. All right. Oh, we have to put the olive oil now.
Oh.
So put a few drops on your pizza.
Okay. What will happen?
Oh, open it.
Oh,
It's closed.
Whoa.
It's olive oil.
What does olive oil do?
It's supposed to make food taste good.
Wait, we have to eat the food?
No.
Oh. That's too much.
That's okay. All right, your turn, Emma. You can put it on the cheese.
How did she do that so perfectly? There you go.
Oh, you can put more.
Oh, I can put more?
Yeah.
What did you do? So, Mama, we have to
like
put
all
it
the oil.
on the cheese?
You can put it on the cheese or anywhere.
I'm spreading it on the cheese so it can be cute.
Yeah, maybe like 6
Okay.
drops should be fine.
There you
Emma, AJ, you'll get a little bit more now.
Okay. Oh.
It's not coming out.
Let me see. Yay!
Whoa.
Okay, let's put some on hers.
Mine
That should be
looks
fine.
very good.
All right, no, wait, before you guys continue, now we have to put, I think this is oregano and like pepper flakes, maybe.
Pepper.
Pepper
But I'm not sure.
tomatoes, I
So add a little bit on your, like sprinkle it, okay guys?
Sprinkle it, okay.
Yes.
Put them in my hand. Put them in my hand.
Ooh, I wonder how this is gonna turn like when it becomes slime.
What
Here you go. Ooh, bless you.
Guys, it's going to turn into.
Here, Elijah,
actually
put some on your
kinda
pizza.
like a
This looks like sand. This looks like sand to me.
Go ahead. Yes.
Okay, I'm
Oh,
gonna do
look
it.
at all of it.
Ooh.
Oh my! Spreading
Whoa.
it out. I'm spreading
I
it
think it's oregano. I mean, I don't know what else it would be. So here's our final product. Yeah, and it smells it actually smells like pizza right here.
Yeah.
All right,
out. The
let's,
tomatoes taking over.
now we are going to
Mix it.
grab them and we're gonna mix them. But first, let's admire our work. We made a mistake, it got stuck, but who cares? All right, look, here's
still
everybody's
had fun.
pizza. Everybody's pizza. Right now, we're gonna blend it together and mush it together, and it should look a different color.
Yeah.
All right,
Fabulous.
that's AJ's pizza. That's Emma's pizza.
It's gonna be sticky with the cheese.
That's Elijah's pizza.
Found this on my pizza.
All right, you guys can start crushing it and sliming it all over the
Ready?
place. Yeah.
Set, go! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Guys, look, it's turning pink.
Mine's just turning pinker.
Pinker.
Pinker. Like pinker.
Whoa.
I
That's
see
reddish.
the
Yes.
ingredients.
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 Green
Mine are
color.
pink. With looking a little pink.
Looks like your shirt almost.
Oh my!
It's actually pink bread.
I don't know unless they color it.
Oh yeah.
It's thick.
Like it's falling out. Like it smells literally so good with all of the ingredients. And
It does. Smell
Oh.
like people. Smell
it smells super.
It smells like pizza.
Guys, I just noticed something. That AJ's pizza slime is darker and mine is lighter.
Yeah?
I like it.
It's right there, so on the pizza.
It's okay.
Whoa, it's pink! I know, right? This is the best thing we my life.
we ever did.
Emma.
We've ever done.
Ever done.
Emma, take a tiny piece. Take a tiny piece from yours.
Oh my goodness.
Take a tiny piece.
Let me see. How does it look like?
Piece. I have
This
the
is how it looks like. Oh, you can see the little green pieces and the cheese is already melted everywhere. Here, since it's so sticky, use some activator.
Mine's not sticky anymore. Mine is nice and soft.
Are you sure you don't want any? Okay. Yours looks light.
Yeah, mine's
Compared to theirs.
lighter than compared to theirs. Mine's is lighter. What if I had a bit too much bread
Mm-hmm.
and then it made this?
And you had a little bit of the tomato sauce. And then AJ had a little bit of the bread and a lot of the tomato sauce.
Oh yeah.
Maybe.
I had a lot of this cheese.
Yes.
Look. And it's also good.
Yeah, let's see if we can find other stuff.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. What if
Like-
a cupcake?
I saw one that looks like boba.
Boba. I love boba.
Okay then.
Thanks for watching. Bye.